Hello everyone, welcome back to Higher Maths. In today's video, we're solving a very interesting exponential equation that goes like this. 2 raised to the power t is equal to t raised to the power 32. Our goal is to find the value of t. So, what do we have? We are given the equation. Now at first glance, this equation looks complicated because the variable t is in the exponent on both sides, but with different bases. So, we'll use a smart trick. Take powers on both sides of the equation to simplify and compare the exponents. So the left side becomes 2 raised to the power t, raised to the power 1 over t, and the right side becomes t raised to the power 32, raised to the power 1 over t. This simplifies to 2 equals t raised to the power 32, raised to the power 1 over t. Now, to simplify further, let's take power 1 divided by 32 on both sides. So now the left-hand side becomes 2 raised to the power 1 over 32 is equal to t raised to the power 1 over t. So here's the clever trick. Let's manipulate the left-hand side to match the base and exponent structure on the right-hand side. We know that 2 raised to the power 8 is 256. So let's rewrite the left-hand side by multiplying the exponent 1 over 32 with 8 over 8, which is just 1, so it doesn't change the value. That gives you Q's. 2 raised to the power 1 over 32 multiplied by 8 over 8. Multiply the exponents. 1 over 32 times 8 over 8 gives 1 over 256. Now we rewrite this as 2 raised to the power 8, raised to the power 1 over 256. And that simplifies to 256 raised to the power 1 over 256. So the left-hand side becomes 256 raised to the power 1 over 256. And the right-hand side is 2 raised to the power 1 over t. Now both sides are in the exact same format. So by comparing them directly, t must be equal to 256.